you.
Who is the man that played root rock reggae?
DJ Glendon.
It's a temporary love. I'm in love with your friend Pauline, and I want her to come over. Can you grant to me the favor and invite her over? I know you don't like the idea, but that's the way love goes sometimes. So cooperate, my love, and let her come over. Let her come over. Boy, Pauline, I know it's hard on you, 'cause you were my first lover. And to see me with another woman, I know how you must feel. But as I know it's hard on you, girl, 'cause you were my first lover. I promise this love will be temporary, so no need to worry, no worry. No, and it's a temporary love. Why love life is so funny, I don't really know my honey. But one thing I promise you, my love, this love will be temporary, so no worry. It's a temporary love. It's a temporary love. Why love life is so funny, I really don't know, my honey. But one thing I promise you for sure, this love will be temporary, so no worry. And it's a temporary love. Oh, yo, I'm in love with your friend Pauline, and I want her to come over. Can you grant me the favor and let her come over? Let her come over. Aye. I know you don't like the idea, but that's the way love goes sometimes.
Special request to advance. Your mother or your sister. Coming from Ireland in my center.
I'm in love with your friend Pauline, and I want her to come over.
Say, woman, I know something for you around. Woman, I know something for you around. After me went up a month and figure chest sister. Did you got to run me and pick up up on a nose? Woman, I know something for you around with. Say, woman, I know something for you around with. That some girls are just like fleas. Say that them travel in a twos and trees. Right. They say them weird just and not because them are the best and but because them are have an agony. Right. Now me say, woman, I know something for you.
This love will be temporary.
Come and say, woman, I know something for you to work with. Say, woman, I know something for you to work with. Come and say, woman, I be like murder. Come and say, somebody